Hey guys, me and Dad working out this motorbike here because it's kind of broken. Right now we have to fix it. Even Dad's tools that is putting on your stander because Dad has to stand his phone to get us seat like that. And brother's over there guitaring. You hear that?
What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do?
Dad actually is a workman, and then I'm a workman, and then Dad's the workman, and then I'm a tester. I have 2 apex, and then Dad only have 1 apex. Like I look like I'm actually.
What?
I'm actually a builder. You're a builder, Dad, and me too.
Yes.
And then I'm now.
What did you know about the motorcycle?
Just I told Dad I have to get the wrench over there. For I get the wrench, I will screw this and then like that. And see this, I'm holding this because it's not the motor vehicle is gonna fall like this because 4 poles up safe. Okay.
Let me remove the bolts.
Bolts? Yeah. You know bolts is nail. Bolts looks like bolt, but bolt looks like bullet.
Like a bullet?
Yeah.
What's the purpose of the bolts?
Bullet?
The bolts. What's the purpose? What's the purpose?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Bullets?
The bolts hold on together with it is attachments.
Oh.
It's attached to one another, piece by piece.
Yeah, piece by piece.
Yes.
Piece na po.
Doesn't.
Yeah. Looks piece.
Just say bye na.
Bye guys. Me and Dad actually gonna work, but
What?
just watch me after this. Dad, don't press it, okay?
Okay.
Then Dad actually gonna take off now. Oh.
I'm going to take off the front
Na
fender. This is the front.
fender.
No, this is not a fender. This is I don't know what it is. Front cover.
Yeah, front cover.
So I'm going to replace a horn. The horn of our motorcycle.
Have horn.
This is the horn.
Yeah. This one is the second horn. This one is red because this one is red and this one is orange and one is red. One is red.
Look, kuya.
Yep. Brother's dad playing guitar. It's donut.
Say bye.
Bye guys.
See you later.
See you later. And don't forget to watch the new video of us. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.